of honors in grade 1 with honors, Augusto Vincent Theodore, who has obtained an average grade of 94.88%. With honors, Moreno Cassie Lorraine, who has obtained an average grade of 94.13%. With honors is given to Dose Alia Sofia, who has obtained an average grade of 93.63%. With honors is given to Aguirre Mariel, who has obtained an average grade of 93.50%. With honors is given to Napolis Princess Freya, who has obtained an average grade of 93.50%. With honors is given to Dayaday Regine, who has obtained an average grade of 93.38%. Clap mo, uy.
Clap your hands.
With honors is given to Harris Tyler Jen, who has obtained an average grade of 92.50%. With honors is given to Hisola Donald, who has obtained an average grade of 92.25%. For the merit of recognition is given to Baluis Sean Marzel M, who has obtained an average grade of 88.75%. Merit of recognition is given to Labargan Andriela, who has obtained an average grade of 88.38%. Today you will witness the dance presentation of my grade 1 students. Okay, grade 1, please come here in front.